Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to clear a huge misconception going around after the Cloudflare outage, and some people are blaming Rust, specifically the unwrap call. And to be honest, the Rust didn't fail. It was a developer's decision. Developer decisions gets failed. This can happen in any language. And in Rust, what unwrap is basically saying that I 100% guarantee this the value will be okay, and if not, if I am wrong, then crash the entire program. So it's like Rust didn't fail it. It was a developer choice to create that panic, to cause that panic, and it can happen in any language. You can make this happen in any language, like by using the Python, JavaScript, or even in Java. So in Rust, the values might fail or might be missing or wrapped in the option and the result or the result enum. And Rust provide you a safer ways to handle this kind of situation, to handle the errors properly. So let me show you the coding example. By coding example, the things will be much clearer. Let's say we have the function get username, and this will return the option and I will return the none from the function. And let's create the main function to call it. Let's say we have the username and get username function called. We will use the unwrap. So in the panics, let me write a comment, panic like the Cloudflare, okay. And now what we can like print same the username will be like username, and let me run this. Okay, so we have returned the none from the get username function. So you will see the program gets crashed, it panicked, and please don't use the unwrap in the production. It will cause a huge problem if you not handle the things properly. So there are ways, they just provide like multiple safer ways to handle these kinds of issues. So let me show you the first one. Okay, so let's say we have the function called get not a print name, I think will be okay. Print name, this will return the option, and let's say we call the function called get username, but this time we are not going to use the unwrap. We will be using the question mark operator, and we will use the print macro again. Okay, and we have written the option. So for that we will be using this sum. Okay, now what we need to do. There are multiple ways of handling this. So we have used the question mark operator. So what we can do now, we can easily say that let's say we can use the match for that as well, and we can use the if else for that as well. Let's use the match first and say the print name, and what we need to do now, it will return the sum or some value, and it will return the error, and for the error case, not the error, it will return the none. Okay, so as you can see, there are the ways of handling this thing, and none value. Okay, so let's say the sum value will be okay. So we have used the question mark operator. By using that, you can achieve different things, like you can handle the errors properly. Also, if you can say that you have the get username function, you can directly call it here, the get username, and what we do there, you have the sum or none. So let's try to run this. Now you will see, I think there is an issue. Okay, maybe okay, see, we got the none. This time the program didn't get crashed, and we have handled the error properly. So right now we are doing it for the option enum. You can do the same for the result enum as well. And match was the one of the way, and there is a question mark and match, and there's another way of handling this thing which is called the if let. By using the if let, you can handle the error properly. So let me use the if let, and let's say you have the sum value, and value will be like name, and you can say that get username, and if username found, or we can say that username name, and for the else part we can say that username not found. So let me try to run this. I think saved or not. Okay, so this time we will see username not found error. We have handled it properly. Let me return the some value from here, and we will be saying that let's say my name, and we will change it to string, and this time we will be getting nickname. So username Sat, we will form the username properly. So we have handled errors properly by using the option enum, and we have handled the option enum. So by using the question mark, you can handle the errors. In the production, you can use the question mark, you can use the match, and you can use the if let as well. And the same, all the same things you can use for the result enum as well. And so if the Rust causes the problem, the answer is no. It was a developer decision, and Rust provide you a safer tools. If you handle them, if you use them properly, there will be no error, there will be no outage like the Cloudflare. And actually it's kind of the outage was it was a kind of a reminder, like no language can protect you from the developer decisions or developer choices. So use the understand the language properly, and use the proper error handling. Every language provides a better way of handling errors, just like the Rust. And I have shown you the three ways of handling these issues, like by using the question mark, by using the match, and you can use the if let as well. So I have given you the example for the option. You can create the same examples for the result enum as well. So use the option and the result enums, and handle the error properly. Don't use the unwrap in the production, try to avoid it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.